Hello friends, my name is Kajal Suryavanshi. Today's video topic is polymorphism in Java. Let's start with what is polymorphism. Polymorphism in Java is a concept by which we can perform a single action in different ways. Polymorphism is divided for two big words, poly and morphs. The word poly means many and morph means forms. So polymorphism means many forms. There are two types of polymorphism in Java, compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. We can perform polymorphism in Java by method overloading and method overriding. If you overload a static method in Java, the example of compile time polymorphism, we will focus on runtime polymorphism in Java. First one is a runtime polymorphism in Java is a runtime polymorphism or dynamic method dispatch is a process in which a call to an overridden method is an resolve a runtime rather than compile time is called. In this process, an overridden method is called through the reference variable of a superclasses. The determination of the method is to be called base class on the object being referred to the by reference variable. First, understand the upcasting for runtime polymorphism. What is upcasting? Upcasting is a reference of variable of parent class refers to the object of child class. It is known as upcasting. Then for upcasting we can use reference variable of class type of an interface type. Since object is the root class of classes in Java, so we can write a BIS OS object. Next one is an example of a runtime polymorphism is we are creating two classes with the bike and splendor. Splendor class extends bike class or overridden it run method. We are calling the run method by the reference variable of parent class to child class. So it refers the subclass object and subclass method overrides the parent class method. The subclass method is invoked at runtime polymorphism. So method invocation is determined by the Java virtual machine, not compiler. It is known as a runtime polymorphism. Next example is I said to the bank is a class that provides method to get the rate of interest, and rate of interest may differ according to banks. For example is the SBI, Kotak, HDFC, etc. Thank you.